Hello everyone, my name is Hanggita Putri Kinantimani with student ID number 241202111 and 22, and I am a student of English Language Education Study Program at Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. So today I would like to share my semester review about the TEFL course. I will talk about two things first. So the first is the core materials that every EFL teacher should master, and the second is the most important experience and skills that I learned from this course, and how it will help me become a teacher in the future. So when I first joined in this class, I thought that teaching English is only about explaining grammar, vocabulary, or giving exercise. But after one semester, I realized that teaching English is much more than that. So a good teacher needs to choose the right teaching approach based on the students' need and learning goals. And then one of the most important materials that I learned is literature-based learning. So literature can make English learning more interesting because students can learn language, culture, values, and poems or novels. So it also helps students to improve their reading, speaking, and critical thinking skills. And then another important material is cooperative learning. This approach teaches students to work together in groups, share ideas, um, and help each other. So I believe that this is important because uh, the learning becomes more active, and the student can improve their English skills and teamwork skills. And then I also learned about problem-based learning and case-based learning. So this approach encourages students to think critically and solve their real problems instead of only memorizing information. So as a future teacher, we should help students become more active, uh, not only good test takers. And then the next approach is project-based learning. So through this project, students use English to create something meaningful, such as presentations, posters, or videos. So this makes the learning more enjoyable because students can connect English with their real life situations. And then besides learning different teaching approach, I also learn innovative strategies to teach listening and reading skills. So I realized that listening and reading activities do not always have have to come from textbooks, but teachers can use songs, videos, games, stories, or digital platforms to make the learning more interesting and more meaningful. So this taught me that creativity is an important part of teaching English. And then besides the material, I also gained many valuable experiences from this course. One of the most important experiences was learning how to choose appropriate teaching methods for different classroom situations. And then I also learned about how to think more critically when planning learning activities, and how to make lessons more student centered. So this course also improved my confidence. Like, it encouraged me to speak English more often, express my ideas clearly, and prepare myself to become uh, a future English teacher. And then I learned that teachers should continue learning, be creative, and always be open to new ideas because education continues to develop. So, in conclusion, this TEFL course has changed my understanding of teaching. Like, teaching English is not only about delivering knowledge, but it is also about helping students to learn in meaningful ways. Like, it's also building their confidence and creating a positive learning environment. So, I believe that the knowledge and experiences I gain from this course will become a strong foundation for my future career as an English teacher. And I know that I still have many things to learn, but this course has given me the motivation and confidence to continue to improve myself. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.